Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode. On this one, we're going to be doing a teardown of the RB25 out of Brad's JDM barn find. So stick around. Hopefully it's no big damage, but we're going to find out very soon. Put in the comments below what you think is wrong with the engine. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Let's get right into it.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get it, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
So this is Brad's RB25 Series 2, I think it is, that he had in his S15, I think. I don't even know. Let's get him over here, actually. Let's get him over here so he can actually tell me what the hell. Oh, he's on the grinder. Brad the apprentice. No earmuffs, no glasses. Oh, he does have safety glasses on. That's good. So he's over here with his S13, mate. This is the barn find. And what have you done?
I should have done this before we painted it.
Yeah.
Now I'm cutting it up.
Yeah, there's a bracket on there stuck, which is sick.
Yeah, and you can't even grind the nut off because this is in the way and this is in the way, so I should cut that off and that off before I can get to it.
Nice, nice. Paint looks good though. And Xavier welded in his front, what do you call it? Tube front end.
And this as well. Well, maybe
oh yeah.
Show them
Oh shit. That's so good. So yeah, you can keep grinding on that. Headlight's a bit broken. Xavier's I don't know what you're doing. He's toothbrushing his engine. Holy shit, looks a lot cleaner.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah. Looks good as.
Another like 4 hours to be done.
Yeah, nice. You're almost there.
Yeah.
Sick. We are getting less cars out here, which is, I don't know if it's good or bad, but Brad's busy at the moment, so we'll go check out his engine. So yeah, in the shed here, we've got his RB25. Pretty sure it's Series 2, and I'm pretty sure it has a burnt valve, or that's what he was told. So we're going to take the cams off and lay everything out on the table here in order, so we don't stuff anything up, because these have to go back in the exact same place. So yeah, we'll do that. We'll lift this head off and then inspect it, see what the go is. He did buy another head off Xavier. And then yeah, hopefully you can send that off to the machine shop, get them to check everything, clearances and whatnot, and yeah, new head gasket, new gasket kit, put it back together, hot side, cold side, and you can slap it in, and then he's got to do everything else, you know. There's a process to it. So yeah, when he's finished grinding, we'll get stuck in start and unbolt some of this. So, Brad's just been busy taking off this front, all the front shit, timing belt and the cover and whatnot, all the little tricks to get those bits off, and then now taking out the cam gears, not the cam gears,
The engine parts.
the engine parts. I can't remember what they're called. Yeah, the cams. We took the cam gears off, you numpty. He's taking out the cams, and we can smell like the strongest burning oil smell. Like it stinks, it's stankin'. Like real bad, like really bad.
Why, whatever was causing that, that's definitely an issue.
Definitely an issue, it shouldn't smell that bad. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what is underneath here. Woo.
Oh, the valves look fine on this side. On this, I don't know, we've got to look underneath, I guess, too.
Yeah. Alright, just an update. Enzo's come down the shed with me to check it out, see what Brad's up to, because Enzo's not going to sleep today, doing an all-dayer. He does those every now and then. So what do we got here, Brad? What have you found? You're taking the head off.
Yes.
He's taking the head off. He hasn't inspected it too much yet, but still haven't found anything. Cams are all out. It stinks, eh? The oil smells so bad, like really burnt oil.
I can't even smell it anymore.
I can. I just got a big whiff of it. And the spark plugs are
one of my
cooked.
head studs came out when I went to do it.
Oh yeah. No, you don't need that one. That's a spare. And all the spark plugs are like really black and they're pretty corroded and whatnot. So yeah, we'll find out what's going on with that soon. But he's getting this one pulled apart so he can use the head off that one and chuck it on. Got the block there.
Oh, the block doesn't too bad. I mean, this is all black, but it looks alright. It's a little bit rough, the surface there, but I don't really know.
I'm no expert. I just know that on your cross hatching, seeing that still there's a good.
Like it going circular, you don't want it going up and down. You want it like a circular motion, right?
And no big marks in it.
Yeah.
Enzo, don't touch that. It's dirty. Yeah, so that's a good start.
That's the one that the stud came out.
Oh yeah, that's okay. New water pump on there, mate. Yeah. Sweet. Well, there's nothing catastrophic, which is good. It's always a good start, eh?
Yeah. Cool. It shouldn't have been. It was just puffing a little bit of smoke.
Oh, true.
Oh no, I just wigged out. Oh, there was like a massive gap here, but it's not. It's just like...
Just
I think it was just the angle looked really bad for a second.
We'll do a little update when we know a bit more. Just coming right up. Enzo's gonna give us a few pointers, tell us what's up. Okay, so this RB25 actually came from Xavier and his collection of things, and he was gonna use it, but then, he tried to get this harmonic balance off and it just wouldn't come, and didn't put too much effort into it, but he was like, yeah, nah, stuff it, it's not worth my time. Sat it in the corner and then decided he was gonna do an SR thing and sell his soul to the devil. So, yeah, now we're stuck with the job of getting the freaking harmonic balancer off. I've drilled 2 new holes in there. Went with it was like an M8 hole, I think, so we can use some big bolts, and then just enough thread on here, hopefully, to get this out. It has moved out a little bit, but then it just started spinning. So now we're gonna chuck 2 bolts in the back of the crank here, with like a tire iron in there, and get Brad to hold on here so that it can't rotate. But we're pretty sure from the look of this, like it's not sitting on there right, it's twisted. So we're pretty sure it's like catastrophic, something catastrophic has happened to the crank. So I'm not too worried about damaging it, and it's already damaged, probably. That doesn't make sense, because it's probably already damaged. Also, just looking at this, the freaking the block's stuffed anyway. You can't use the block. Did you know that?
Yeah, I was well aware of that.
You knew that? Oh, that's good, because yeah, this water pump housing here has broken, like
Blasted.
Proper broken. I don't even know how someone did that. That's crazy. And then yeah, who knows where it's been in its life. It's probably like my RB sitting over on the shelf over there, just completely cooked. But hopefully the head's good and we can use that. Hopefully we don't run out of thread here. Ready?
Yeah.
Hey! Popped off.
I didn't even have to do anything, so it's funny as. We could have just kept going the whole time.
Yeah, right. Wait, the balancer is like on the piss hardcore.
What do you mean?
Like, I think, yeah, for this to be stuffed, you would think the crank would have some kind of damage or twisted or something, because like this is all twisted, unless I have a theory that just popped in my head. Maybe it fell off an engine stand, your favorite, and it hit the ground and like jarred it. Maybe. So the bottom end, like all the internals and that, might be okay. maybe.
Yeah.
But if it happened while the engine was rotating, like operating, then there's going to be major damage, surely.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm no expert, but pretty freaking happy that we got that off. The thumbnail. La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. Oops. Yeah, so I just took the cover off, and we found that.
Doesn't look good, man.
Who knows what's happened to this engine in its life, hey? But yeah, I'm pretty keen on this cover.
Complimentary.
Complimentary? Okay, sick, I'll take that. Alright, so Brad's pulled the head off, had a look, and yeah, this block looks all good, other than the water pump being smashed and that harmonic balancer being cooked, so.
Yeah, other than that, she's ready to rip.
She's ready to rip, mate. Definitely can't use it again. But all the internals look to be okay from this angle. Obviously, take the sump off and have a look underneath would be a better idea, but you're not using this block anyway, hey? Just kind of just using the parts off it. What were you saying?
I was going to say, tell them they can buy it.
Oh, does anyone want to buy it?
Highest bidder. Starting at $1.
20 buck.
20 buck.
But yeah, you got heaps of parts here now. It's got 2 heads. Mate, this is like RB heaven right here. Look at this shit. We got another block here and then some other shit going on there. You got a gearbox. You got all your shit, mate.
It's coming together.
Nice.
There's a lot of big pieces of the puzzle that are present, which is nice.
Yeah. Big pieces. Yeah, so we got a gasket kit. Take it off. Send it off to the machine shop. Get them to check everything.
What?
And then we'll slap it together with a new gasket. Head gasket. Head gasket.
Nah, it's not going to a machine shop.
You're not taking the machine shop?
Nah.
Just slapping it together?
Getting a fresh gasket kit, putting the good head back together, maybe get someone to put it together for me.
What do you mean? It's already together.
Oh, I just gotta put the cams and stuff back in.
Yeah, that goes in after. So you put the head gasket on?
Yep.
I'd probably get new head studs.
Probably not. Sounds expensive. I'm pretty sure ARP are backorder anyway.
Oh,
Just
really?
figure out if these are, because James pointed out that some of them look uneven.
Yeah, some of them are uneven, like they're not even the
Oh, this
right
one's
height.
loose.
Yeah, that's...
We'll just talk
gnarly.
these down back to spec, and then we'll put the head back on with fresh head gasket, and when the gasket kit comes, fresh gasket, and then she's ready to rip, bro.
Okay. Alright. Budget spec.
Budget spec.
So yeah, that's cool. But yeah, we'll pretty much wrap it up here then, because we can't do much else. What do you want to say?
So yeah.
It's like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, sweet, thanks. Cool. Yeah, we'll see you on the next episode. Actually got a lot of episodes coming out soon, so stay tuned. Peace out. So fun working on RVs, man. I had a good time.